So yeah guys, you know it's a boy Lando Rambo, you know. So guess what now? So you know me do a muffler delete. Yeah. Put a little tip on it. So we just want to hear how it sound now from inside. You get what I say? Yeah. We want to hear the engine now from inside how it sound. So I'm gonna make you guys hear what it sound like. Yeah. Boy. Man. Sound good. Yo, me I tell you the thing sound good. I'm not lie. It sound good. I'm gonna just slide back the sunroof, you know. You see me I say? I'm gonna slide it back and you can hear a little from outside. But yo, me not lie. Right now, me even not touch no gas right now, you know. Cause right now the car this a shug like crazy. Right now, me even not touch it. Cause I hear it now. Yo, me say a sugar. Yeah. Yo, me not lie, I'm proud of it, you see me? Proud of the new movements. So I eat that, you know. Lando Rambo, man. You see me? Sound good. Oh gosh. It too sweet. It too sweet. It too sweet. Me I tell you. Yeah. So guys, remember, you know, if you never subscribe to the channel, man, just give it a like, man. You see me I say? Hit the notification bell, man, so when I put out the video them, you can always get notified. You get what me I say? Yeah, man, share the video, man, and everything same way, you know. You don't know the things set already. Share the video, man, and, you know, support the youth. Same way. Yeah, man, and just tell a friend, man. You see me? Yeah, man, afraid to give the thing I like, you don't know. We are real youth in the street, you know. And we're well creative, you see me I say? And we are youth when you grudge people in our life. No. We go on with us create the own thing. Yeah. We go on with us create the own thing, man. Yeah, man. So I eat that. So what me I gonna do now, me I gonna make you hear the car from outside. You see me? And then me do some crazy video shots and I eat that, man. Lando Rambo, you know. So see you soon, you see me? Yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah. So I'm gonna make you hear what? Boom. The exhaust sound like. The exhaust tip. Remember I told you that I do a muffler delete. You get what me I says? So I straight pipe it out. And then I put a little tip here. So I'm gonna make you hear what it sound like. Yeah. I mean I tell you say it's sweet and it sound tasteful and it sound good. Yeah, I eat that pan in Lincoln. Remember, you know, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell, brother and sister. So you know, so when we put out the next video like this, you're the first one to get notified and certified. That's cool, no? Lando Rambo, I'm out.